Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Can-Am X3 battery is probably one of the most crucial components for ensuring peak performance and reliability in your off-road adventures. This video will guide you through selecting the right battery for your Can-Am X3, covering factors like cranking power, reserve capacity, and overall durability to help you choose a battery that matches your riding style and needs, ensuring your machine starts every time and keeps you exploring the trails. Number 5. Can-Am Maverick X3 Dual Battery Kit. This is no ordinary battery. It's built tough, leak-proof, and perfect for powering your UTV's accessories without worry. Our dual battery system lets you run those light bars and stereo systems. It keeps your main battery charged and ready to start your machine. If you've added extra electronics, it's a must-have. This prevents draining your starter battery and leaving you stranded. Installation is a breeze. Check out the easy-to-follow video on our website for a step-by-step guide. It's built with pride in the USA using high-quality materials for long-lasting performance and reliability. With this kit, you can power all your accessories and enjoy worry-free adventures. Get yours today. What we like. This battery is designed for heavy use, maximizing your UTV's battery life. It's also incredibly easy to install, thanks to the step-by-step video guide. If you're running aftermarket electronics and need a reliable power source, this is the one for you. What people say. Works great, easy to install. Needed if you're running a stereo in your SXS and want to be able to start it after sitting a while. Install is a bit tedious, but once it is in, there's no real need to mess with it. Doable by yourself, but 100% easier with a friend. Also nice having a second terminal for only accessories so you can run them without worrying about having to be jump-started. Put this in my 2021 XRC so we could listen to music while parked and ensure the main battery wouldn't drain. Install was easy, great online step-by-step video. Number 4. RG20L-WS UTV Battery. It's the ultimate power source for your Can-Am Maverick X3. With 500 plus CCAs, it delivers reliable starting power, even in extreme conditions. This battery boasts 500 cold cranking amps for superior starting power. It's designed to handle the demands of your UTV, ensuring you're always ready for adventure. It features an impact-resistant case and cover, protecting it from the bumps and jolts of off-road riding. This ensures long-lasting performance and reliability. Each battery is fully charged and tested before shipping. An included analysis report gives you peace of mind, knowing it's ready to power your adventures. It utilizes advanced AGM, absorbed glass mat, construction. This completely sealed, liquid-free design prevents leaks and corrosion, ensuring a longer lifespan. It's specifically designed for Can-Am Maverick X3 models from 2017 to 2023, including the X3 Max and Turbo models. Enjoy a perfect fit and hassle-free installation. Its compact dimensions of 634L x 314W x 618H make it easy to install and fit in your UTV. It's the perfect blend of power and convenience. What we like. Boasting 500 cold cranking amps and built with the latest AGM technology, it provides superior power and reliability. It's completely sealed and leak-proof, ensuring worry-free performance. If you need a high-performance battery with advanced technology, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Works as expected. Turns the engine over much quicker than the stock battery ever did. Came like 4 days early. Number 3. Can-Am X3 Dual Battery Kit. Introducing the Can-Am X3 Dual Battery Kit. It lets you power those extra accessories without worrying about draining your main battery, keeping you on the trail longer. This kit is a must-have for powering aftermarket electronics like light bars and stereos. It ensures your Can-Am X3 always starts, no matter how many extras you've added. Installation is a breeze. Check out the step-by-step video on our website for a quick and easy setup. This kit is designed to fit perfectly with your existing OEM-sized battery. It's a seamless addition to your Can-Am X3. It's built right here in the USA, ensuring superior quality and reliability. Enjoy peace of mind knowing it's built to last. With this kit, you can run your accessories without the risk of draining your starter battery. It maximizes your battery life and keeps you going. What we like. This kit is designed to maximize your UTV's battery life by powering accessories without draining your main battery. It's easy to install and compatible with your existing setup. If you need a simple solution to power additional electronics, this kit is ideal. What people say. Great product, great seller. Perfect for what I needed. Installation was not bad and came with good instructions. Easy installation, Canon X3 2021. Number 2. SAUTVS battery cover for Can-Am Maverick X3. This is the SAUTVS battery cover, designed to perfectly fit your Can-Am Maverick X3. It offers superior protection and is easy to install. Made from high-quality ABS plastic, it's built to last. It's precision engineered for a perfect fit, ensuring long-lasting protection for your vehicle's battery. This cover fits seamlessly with your Can-Am Maverick X3's body. No modifications are needed for installation. Installation is quick and easy. Be sure to check out the included installation video for a step-by-step guide. It provides comprehensive protection for your battery, keeping it safe from the elements and damage. It's a simple yet effective upgrade for your vehicle. Your purchase includes one battery cover and an easy-to-follow installation manual. Everything you need for a quick and easy installation is right in a box. What we like. This cover is made of high-quality, durable plastic and designed for a perfect fit on your Can-Am Maverick X3. It's easy to install and provides excellent protection for your battery. If you want to protect your investment and keep your battery safe, this is a must-have. What people say. 30-second install. Perfect fit. Great battery cover looks great install. You would think it was made by the manufacturer. Fit perfectly. Number 1. Can-Am X3 Big Battery Kit. Experience unmatched starting power with our Can-Am X3 Big Battery Kit. It's designed to handle even the most demanding accessories. This kit features the UTV Stereo UTVS 1200 AGM battery, boasting superior performance and reliability. It's built to last. Enjoy more than double the cold cranking amps compared to your original battery. It ensures quick and easy starts, every time. Keep all your accessories running smoothly, even during long rides. It provides ample power for everything you need. Installation is a breeze with the included custom mounting bracket. It's designed for a perfect fit and seamless integration. If you need to power accessories with the vehicle off, consider our X3 second battery kit. It's the perfect solution for extended use. What we like. This kit includes a high-capacity battery with significantly more cold cranking amps than the OEM battery. It also comes with a custom mounting bracket for a perfect fit. If you need extra power for accessories while driving, this is the upgrade you've been waiting for. What people say. Perfect fitment and all contents complete. The battery is well built and it fits like a glove. Major upgrade for accessories and power steering feels more consistent. Easy install. Good price. Mounting kit works good but tight to get to bottom screw. Nice battery. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.